Now we are discussing about chemical business options. In that today we are discussing about a leather processing unit. How is leather processed? Hides are cleaned from dirt, blood, salt and hair. The collagen structure is opened. They are flashed, processed with base chemicals and split into grains and splits. Splitting in the stage in common for upholstery and automotive leather. Hides are offered to tanning in full substance as well. And next point is where is leather processed? At present, the top 6 countries producing tanned leather are China, Italy, India, Brazil, Korea and Russia. Hides are often acquired from animals in these countries and are then shipped to other countries to be processed. And next point is what is the first step in leather making? After soaking, that is rehydration, and cleaning, unhairing and fleshing, the skins undergo bathing, a softening process to prepare them for tanning. And next point is tanning, then tying, dyeing, then dressing, then finishing. These are the steps in leather making. And next point is how leather is made in 23 steps, not 23 steps in processing continuous steps. How leather is made in steps one by one. Curing, first curing hides, the term applied to animal skins used in leather production must be preserved in order to prevent deterioration. Soaking, once the hide has been cured, to left to soak in water for several hours, sometimes even days. Painting, then liming, then fleshing, then deliming, then bathing, then pickling. This is the information regarding steps of processing leather. And how next point is how to start a leather factory. How to start a leather business in India. Determine what to sell and customers. Choose business name. Create a business plan. Find store and begin marketing. And next point is what is the raw material of leather. Leather can be made from the hide of almost any animal, including pigs, sheep, goats and crocodiles. However, the most common hide used in this is that from a cow, a byproduct of the meat and dairy industries. The art of making leather uses hides that would otherwise be destroyed. Next point is which chemical is used in leather industry. Leather industry uses proteolytic and lipolytic enzymes in leather processing. The use of these enzymes is associated with the structure of animal skin as a raw material. Enzymes are used to remove unwanted parts. Alkaline proteases are added in the soaking phase. Next point is where is most leather produced in India. The major production centers for leather and leather products in India are located in the states of Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Ambur, Ranipet, Vaniyambadi, Vellore and Paramount, Trichy, Dindigul and Erodi. These are Erodi means that is in Tamil Nadu. And West Bengal, Kolkata, Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur, Agra, Noida, Saharanpur, Maharashtra, Mumbai. All these are the areas for leather producing in India. And the next point is what are the different types of leather processing. The leather processing is divided into three sub processes. Preparatory stages, tanning and crusting. All true leathers will undergo these sub processes. A further sub process, surface coating, may be added in the sequence. The list of operations that leathers undergo vary with the type of leather. Next point is who is the leather, who is the largest producer of leather, that is China. China is the largest producer and exporter of leather and leather products. Approximately 4 billion square feet of leather is produced by the Chinese leather industry every year, which is more than 2 times the production of Brazil. And next point is what are the 4 fundamental stages on how leather is made. Steps, the remaining process include neutralization, aniline dyeing, retanning, softening, drying and buffing, and leather. Then buffing the leather. All the steps prior to drying occur in drums ranging in size from 10 to 300 heights. Most high quality leathers, including all Cortina leathers, are aniline dyed in the drum. Next point is what are the 5 things made of leather. The objects that are made from leather are a wallet, jacket, belt, purse, office bag, etc. These are the 5 things made of leather. And next point is what is the major ingredients of leather? Collagen. Leather is a durable and flexible material created by tanning animal raw hide and skins. The major ingredient of leather is collagen. Which enzyme is used in leather industry? Enzymes can be used in the first step of skin treatment, that is soaking of skins or hides. Various enzymes can be employed as soaking auxiliaries. Proteases, lipases, amylases, chondroitases, amidases, phospholipases, etc. are there in enzymes. This is the information regarding leather processing. Leather processing is also the risky thing, but if a systematic process and skilled persons are there, it can be done very well. So leather processing is a major service also. So for starting this unit means you should have practical experience basically, and as well as you should have very good plant in your location, and skilled persons also should be there always. So for doing independently means you should know all these things, then you can start independently. Then it will be successful. Wishing you all the best.